This won our last lower bracket match, deciding which is our next alliance heading on to the finals. There are already notes flying from all sides, as the Frog Force is the last team to clean up those notes from the center of the field. Dreadnoughts send in one last note to their speaker, as Alliance 2 is actually ahead by 5 points. But that doesn't matter when that point difference is so negligible. The Killer Bees just send a note down into their blue amp. They send another one down, as both alliances are ready for an amplification. But the Blue Alliance does that first, as the Killer Bees have 1. They have 2. During the amplification period, can they make it 3? Yes, they can. The Red Alliance, they decided to amplify right now, as Team Flush has 2. Frog Force makes it 3. But at that same time, the Killer Bees, they're doing very well at making sure that they have no resistance over on the Blue Alliance side to just do what they want to do, as the RoboCubs and the Laker Dreadnoughts are trying to ferry notes to the Bees when they can. But the Richmond Blue Devils are playing some good defense against both of those teams, just making sure that it takes just a little bit longer for the Bees to keep scoring in their amplified blue speaker, as they last minute send a note up high with 1 minute 8 seconds left in this match. Team Flush, they have enough notes for a Red Alliance amplification, as that is exactly what they decide to do right now. As they have 1 so far, they almost had 2. As the Frog Force are trying to get a note unstuck while playing defense against RoboCubs and Dreadnoughts, as they keep throwing notes across the field to the Killer Bees. As they're in position, they shoot up high into an amplified speaker once again. Alliance 2, they're still holding on to their lead, but Alliance 3 isn't far behind in their match play, as the Dreadnoughts are successful again in sending a note over to the Killer Bees, as they hit 1, 2. Just hanging out right there, as they needed a little push down, but the last 20 seconds of the match mean that this is where all the marbles are, as it looks like 503 is getting ready for their own hang. They have a note hanging out underneath their robot, but nothing in their shooter for a trap score. And we actually have all 3 Blue Alliance robots up and hanging for their end game, as Team 33 and 1701 are both hanging on the same chain, which means they get their harmony bonus. All right, we're ready to see who our last finals alliance will be. And it's Alliance 2 heading on to our finals with a score of 107-82. As even though Alliance 2 is heading on to our finals, Alliance